We think of time as a one-way motion from the past through the and say the past is the result of the present.